Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my 2011 Mercedes ML300 and I'm going to show you how to easily and cheaply upgrade your command entertainment system to be Bluetooth audio compatible so that you can stream music to your command center. So to do this update, I'm going to install a Bluetooth 5 adapter to the MMI plug for this Mercedes command center. So whilst I'm here today demonstrating this with my 2011 Mercedes ML300, this is actually applicable to all models of Mercedes from 2009 through to 2014 that have that MMI plug. So the first thing we need to do is to actually locate the MMI plug, which is typically in the glove box. And as you can see, I have a USB adapter currently plugged into my MMI plug. This is quite old school and we want streaming music. Now I should add that my car actually came with a complete kit of MMI cables. I got the USB cable, which you've already seen. I got an iPod cable and I also got an auxiliary cable. So I did look into if I could use those genuine cables to somehow add Bluetooth audio streaming to the command center. But whatever options I looked at, I had to run separate power to the device. And so that's one of the reasons I chose this device. And I will put a link in the description to it below because I don't actually have to install power and it's a really simple installation. So let's get into it. So having located our MMI port, we simply remove any existing adapters that are in the port. And then we insert the new Bluetooth adapter which we've purchased into that MMI port. Now straight away we can see that the Bluetooth MMI adapter has started flashing, so we should be able to connect that to our streaming device. So on our Bluetooth streaming device, we simply select Bluetooth and then we select Jai Rui BT5908 and we can see that our streaming device connects instantly. It's then simply a matter of selecting auxiliary from our command center and we are connected. So back on our streaming device, we can see quite clearly that the Bluetooth adapter is connected and it's simply a matter of choosing our own playlist and we can stream straight from our phone in the car, no cords and no mess. So there you go. For less than $20, that's how to add Bluetooth audio to your standard Mercedes command center using the iPod MMI port. If you like this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.